Hi there, this is the Smart Drag Tracker with Apple Find My built-in. We're just going to go through a little bit of a setup and demonstration along with the installation of this particular tracker onto your average dog collar. Included in the kit is going to be a standard stainless steel based O-ring, as well as of course the tracker itself, which is quite nice and compact, as well as a little opening tool that you would normally use to replace the battery. The tracker on this one, again, as mentioned before, is rather nice and compact. There's a little speaker that's in the back here that you can use to indicate a sound via the Apple Find My application. We then, of course, just have a static collar hook on the top, as well as a power, turn off, and reset button located on the bottom. With these ones here, again, there is a sort of tool that's included here to open up the unit itself. There's a little notch this goes into. You just simply need to insert it and twist, and that will open this up so you can replace the battery. Please note, this does utilize button-based batteries, so if you have young ones or of course dogs around, you do want to make sure that you install them appropriately and close them to secure it in place.